Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nikmatu Soliha. My student number is 58. In here, I'm and my partner Fatiha Sukmawati will give our critical reading about the story with the title is Scoop by Evelyn Waugh. Number 1 is plot. In the story, the plot rests on the same comics twins of the fortune. Lord Cooper, the arrogant and ignorant owner of the Daily Beast, sent out by mistakes a naive writer of nature columns, William Booth, to cover the war in the fictional East African country of the Ismailia. And then character and characterization. Number 1 is Mr. Baldwin. He is small, mysterious man with his servant joins William on his flight to Paris. Number 2 is Jack Benner. He is a senior official in the British legation in Ismailia. He is an old school friend of William Booth and passes on to him vital information about the country's political situation. And number 3, Dr. Benito. He is a rather sinister figure who is in the Minister of Finance and Propaganda in Ismailia. The journalist Pick regards him as creepy. Next, Uncle Bernard. Uncle Bernard is one of William's uncle, spent his life conducting the scholarly research on the family pedigree. And then Nanny Blocks. Nanny Blocks is William's old nanny at Booth McNahoe. And next, John Courtney Booth is a successful writer. He has written 8 books, including novels, as well as travel and history books, and he is a well-known and respected name in intellectual circle. And then Priscilla Booth. Priscilla Booth is a William's sister. It is she who, as a joke, insert all the reference in William's article to the fiction Great Chris Group. And the last, William Booth. William Booth lived in the country at Booth McNahoe, from where he writes a twice-weekly nature column for the Daily Beast called Loose Place. Number 3 is the purpose of the story. Scoop is based on work on experience as a war correspondent in Ethiopia, where he reported for the Daily Mail Invention. Lord Cooper, owner of the Daily Beast, yes, that's where Tina Brown got the name for her own venture, decided to cover the socialist insurrection in Ismailia, which has the geography of Ethiopia and the history of Liberia, because, as he explains, we think it a very promising little war. Number 4 is the author. The author of the story Scoop is Evelyn Waugh, was an English writer of novels, biographies, and travel books. He was also a prolific journalist and book reviewer. He is recognized as the one of great prose stylists of the English language in the 23rd century. And number 5, role of the author in the real life. On 10 October 1913, Waugh, representing several newspapers, departed of Abyssinia to cover the coronation of Haile Selassie, and then his subsequent journey through the British East Africa colonies and the Belgian Congo formed the basis of 2 books, The Travelogue of Remote People in 1931 and the comic novel Black Mischief in 1932.
Okay, my name is Fatiha Sukmawati. My student number is 82. I want to explain for the next point. Number 6. Intended readers. Reading the story school makes me realize how much time and effort used to make the news, seek out stories, and then write them without the aid of modern technology. In school, with Hood in Ismailia, reporting back to college in Britain, sometimes it was hard for stories and breaking news to stay relevant. People were separated by time, which make it difficult to write breaking news pieces to stay relevant. Now we are more connected than ever, which is very convenient. And the next significance of the story for the readers. Wolf pokes fun at the idea that the profession of journalism is characterized searching for the truth. On the contrary, the only concern of the journalist is to file a story that will meet with the approval of their boss at the newspaper. The goal is to keep one step ahead of the competition, which is why the journalists behave in such an unscrupulous manner toward one another. And then issues relevant to the story. Wolf's writing become more serious and ambitious. The journalist is really fighting for truth and justice, for the sake of the public. What a journalist's devotion and profession is to the public good in human history, which is why it is, in a sense, noble. Okay, and then the way of the author writes the story. This book is known as the greatest satire of Fleet Street, written in 1930. Evelyn Waugh was a writer, journalist, and book review famous for the sense of comedy and other novels such as The Brideshead Revisited. Besides that, Scoop is littered with its own world view, but modern readers should try and remember that it was written in a different era. In some of the black characters mentioned in the book in passing, Wolf expressed conspicuous racism. And the last, special figure or creature. Special figure in this story is William Wood, stars a lesser-known writer with a small column about the countryside. But of course, every door and opportunities open for him. He stumbled into the head foreign correspondent role for the newspaper, Daily Beast, and is sent to the fictionalized state of the Ismailia to report on the Abyssinian Italian war. That's all for me and my friend Nikmatus Soliha. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.